Hello, my friends and family at Healdsburg Elementary School. Hola, hola, Coca-Cola. So, we've been having such an amazing adventure in research and investigation about butterflies and most specifically about the monarch butterfly, la mariposa monarca. So today, I thought we'd look at a couple of nonfiction books that will help us to understand monarch butterflies because they're important to us. Why? Because they're our insect friends. They help to pollinate our gardens and our fields. And because monarchs for us represent hope and beauty and liberty and change. We saw that when we read our Conversations in Common book, Soñadores, La Mariposa Monarca. So, let's look at this book called Monarch Butterflies. It's a really cool book because it has incredible photographs. It was written by Helen, also photographed by her, and she consulted with scientists, lepidopterists, people who study butterflies, to make sure that everything she wrote in this book is quite accurate. Monarch Butterflies by Helen Frost. Here's our table of contents, which tells us what we're going to learn today. And remember, this is nonfiction, so these are facts. These are true information. Monarch butterflies lay eggs on milkweed plants. Very specific, only on milkweed plants. Monarch caterpillars have stripes. Look at this fine, handsome, fat fellow. Monarch chrysalises, also called pupas, are green with gold spots. The chrysalis is like a little casita or a tent that the caterpillar forms or weaves. And that's where the big change, the metamorphosis, happens. Monarch butterflies are orange and black. Monarch butterflies suck nectar from flowers. Oh, so the caterpillars eat the leaves of the milkweed plants, and the butterflies take nectar from flowers. Monarch butterflies migrate south during autumn. Oh, this is an amazing map. The migration is the big, long journey that the butterflies take from north to south. Here we can see in green our United States of America. We can see in orange our neighbor to the north, Canada, and in purple our neighbor to the south, Mexico. The migration is a very long trip. They migrate to the same places every autumn. Look at that huge cluster of mariposas monarcas. Then they migrate north during the spring, so they go back during the spring. Thousands and thousands of miles on that long, long migration journey. Monarch butterflies use the wind to travel. And here at the end of the book, we have some words we used and learned. Autumn, chrysalis, migrate, milkweed, monarch, and nectar. Great learning. We also have a very cool book about caterpillars and even one about butterfly eggs. Let's look at the caterpillar. This was also written by Helen Frost. And again, she consulted with scientists to write this book. Caterpillars. The table of contents, so we know what we're going to learn. A caterpillar hatches from an egg. Oh my gosh, it's a teeny, teeny, tiny little egg. The caterpillar eats plants. Jump, 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 jump. The caterpillar grows. the caterpillar molts. It crawls out of its old skin. The caterpillar eats and grows. The caterpillar molts again. It molts 4 or 5 times. Wow. Then the caterpillar hangs upside down. The caterpillar becomes a chrysalis, or a pupa. Some people call it a cocoon. The chrysalis will become the butterfly. And again, we get a list of vocab, words we learned. Butterfly, caterpillar, chrysalis, egg, and molt. Thanks for listening, you guys. Next time, we'll read about butterfly eggs.